Good evening, VV Nation, and welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Glad to be here, glad to have you here, and it's my first video of the week, preparing you for the week. Now, keep in mind, there's a lot of things going on, especially from an inflationary standpoint that will happen this week that could affect markets, whether it's to the upside or to the bad side. We do have some semblance of rising inflation as the CPI and PPI stories come out this week. So with that being said, I'm going to do a little something different when it comes down to my stock picks for the US and the Canadian market. First, let's get into the software, and from here we're going to look at a market timing graph. We always have to start off with what's going on in the market. We can clearly see that the market is in a sideways channel, a little bit of an open bar today, very little wick at the top of the candle, which gives us some semblance of a bullish sign. But we've been in this channel, and again, with the advent of some inflation news, depending on how it goes, it may push the market lower, but it could keep the market going higher. So, tell you what I got for you this week. I've got 2 contra ETFs, and I've got 2 stocks. Now, my contras, because I'm not full-on bearish yet, are going to be non-leverage contra ETFs. If you think that that's a good idea, type in the word non-leverage in the chat. All right? I do want to prepare you to the downside, but if you do, I want to make sure that you're only looking at contras that are non-leveraged, just in case if you get into them, if the market goes the opposite direction, you won't get nearly as hurt. But I want you to be leveraged right now. My 2 bullish stocks are AGI and FTAI. Interesting that FTAI is a sell recommendation. But what I'm looking for in these stocks is a little bit of momentum, knowing that, fundamentally sound. AGI, it's got an RT above 1. But if I look at FTAI, go look at the stock graph. Interesting. I like the 3-8 cross. I like the upward trend. I like that it's undervalued. So with those 3 things, I'm putting it on the list as a stock that I want you to keep your eyes on. I'd really love to see if RT can get above 1. And I like that earnings is on the rise overall. All right. So my 2 stocks for the bullish side are AGI and FTAI. To the downside is SVIX and DOG. Notice that DOG is down today. SVIX is up today. Neither one has an RT above 1. But again, if I look at these, remember, these are non-leverage contra ETFs. There we go. SVIX. I like the move, like the trend. The 3 is currently above the 8. And I also like DOG, like the move. The 3 is above the 8. So the stocks that I've gotten us into the portfolios for the U.S. market, which is down a little bit, but I'm in, let's go see, for today, I'm in SVIX, all right, and I'm in AGI, and if I look to see what their return on investments are, it shows me that AGI is up about 0.25% since I put it in. SVIX is slightly down, flat to down. The portfolio is moving down again. It's down almost 4%. I'm okay with that. We'll overcome that. All right. So that's for the U.S. market. We've got 4 stocks long and 1 stock as a leverage. Let's do the same thing over in the Canadian market. Their market, look at that. Your market is moving up. Your market's moving on up to the east side, to that deluxe apartment in the sky. Gotta love it. Now, what I don't like is that the MTI is just at 1. The buy-to-sell ratio is below 1, but RT is flat, showing that, something, I would be a little bit more bullish in the Canadian market. Let's go see what stocks I've got for you. Man, Super Micro up 13% today in the Canadian market. KNT, NVIDIA is in the list, TVK, and ARG. Now, when I go look at your portfolio, man, your portfolio is up 3.47%. Nice move. 3 of the stocks that we're in are up. I just got us into SMCI, and as I got us in, we're up about 0.5%. PET and PFE are both down. Oh, something else that I did. Watch this. Let's go edit. Because the market has the information coming about inflation, I'm going to customize, and because I've got more yellow than I have red, I am going to move this from a trailing stop of 10% to a trailing stop of 7%. This still allows my runners to run, but I will take profits a little faster. The same thing I did for the U.S. market. I changed the stop from a trailing 10% to a trailing 7%. I need to let you know that. So I'm not panicking. I'm just preparing. And there's no contra ETFs in the Canadian portfolio, but there is one in the U.S. portfolio, and that's what I got for you for the week. All right? So, if you're brand new to the channel and you want to make sure you get my top picks for the week, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this come out. Tomorrow, I'm thinking about a couple of other things. I think it's going to be exciting for tomorrow's video. So with that, folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.